What's up, y'all? It's your girl V. What's up, y'all? It's your girl V, and welcome to 25 days of Vlogmas with Vir'Leah. So today I have my wash day routine for natural color treated hair. So I'm gonna just go ahead and get right into it and take my band-aid off, and you see what we're working with: dead curls, like old curls, and pigtails and stuff. So let me just take this down. So since it's already split into two sections for my hairstyle, I'm just gonna go ahead and separate this part into a fourth section as gently as possible, because sometimes my curls kind of form together. Oh gosh, it's just so stressful. This section for 3. The sections in the front are smaller than the sections in the back. And I ran out of hair ties that I have with me right now. So section number 4 will be the first section that we do. Actually, this is too big. Let me add some of this to this section. So I just like to put my hair in sections to make it easier to wash, because it's thick and it's really like low porosity, and it makes it just so difficult. So I'm gonna get into the shower and show you guys my wash day routine. Okay, what's up, guys? This is just me rinsing out my hair. Since it's really low porosity, I like to detangle with my fingers first and just really let it set underneath the water. It just really helps the process. So yeah, I'm just detangling, getting all the knots out, and letting my hair kind of just soak. So now I'm just completely saturating my hair in water. I only use sections for the shampooing. I don't keep my hair in sections. I find it very difficult, and each time I have like product was left over. So this is ApHogee shampoo for damaged hair. I always like to use shampoo for damaged hair because, you know, your hair is pretty much always suffering from damage. This shampoo is also color safe and creates a balance in your pH for your hair, so I highly recommend it. It leaves my hair feeling full. So I'm just detangling my hair some more and repeating in the other sections. Sorry, my camera got foggy during this time, so like bear with me. This is me finally realizing that maybe opening a window will help with this steam. So this is how much sheddage I had. I was pretty kind of sad because it's mainly because I left my hair in one style the whole week, so that's on me. But normally I have less sheddage than this. So I'm just going through and finger detangling as I rinse the shampoo out. You'll find that this really helps like keeping your hair from knotting up while you're washing it if you don't keep it in sections throughout. Don't mind me feeling myself, because whenever I feel my hair touch my back in the shower, I be feeling good, so. So this is a Manuka honey and yogurt repair protein treatment from Shea Moisture, and I love using this like as a conditioner every once in a while. So I'm not going to condition my hair today, I'm just going to use the protein treatment, and I do this about every other time I wash my hair. And let me tell you, it leaves my hair feeling so soft, and it strengthens the texture. It leaves my hair feeling amazing. I just love it so much.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light.
Okay, so this is me reading it to know that you need to leave it in for 10 to 15 minutes, but because I have low porosity, I left it in for 20. So this is after 20 minutes. My hair was feeling amazing. And you guys see that? To me it looks like it visibly thickened, and my hair texture is brought out a lot. Don't mind me, I got a mask on my face right now, so just ignore that. But my hair was really nice and soft, the texture was great. So this is just me showing y'all like how it leaves your hair looking. It's nice and soft, full. I really love this protein treatment, and I recommend it to anyone who has color treated hair or just damaged natural hair in general. It really helps. Like, I've seen the results over the past couple months. So I'm just rinsing out my hair, but I'm careful not to rinse out all the protein because it can really dry your hair out, like just completely stripping it. So I try to leave like enough in there. So now I'm gonna go in with my favorite leave-in conditioner. This is from Camille Rose's collection, the leave-in collection. This is the honey leave-in, and let me tell y'all, this smells so heavenly. And I love putting leave-in conditioner in my hair like while I'm still in the shower. And a lot of people have asked me about this product. It is not heavy at all. I know that it seems like a honey-like product would be heavy, but no, it's perfect for hydration, especially if you have low porosity hair. This is a must for you. So as I put in the leave-in conditioner, I like running my hands through just to see like if there are any obvious knots that I missed, and obviously there was a knot there, and so I got it out. And I just continued to finger detangle my hair, so that way when I got out the shower and began styling, I wouldn't lose any more hair, because finger detangling minimizes the amount of sheddage. Just adding a bit more leave-in conditioner and scrunching my hair up, which allows me to maintain the curls. So this is the step 2 of the leave-in. It's called Latte, and it smells just as good. The product is just really thick and hard to come out the bottle, but it's definitely worth it. This is supposed to be like a defining leave-in, so I really like it. Both of these together make my hair feel so amazing. Look at the curls. Curls for the girls. Curls for the girls. Okay, look at that clean scalp, honey. Okay, look at that clean hair, clean scalp, all that moisturized, abundance of moisture. I know y'all see that. Anyways, so this is basically the end of the video. I'm just showing you guys like the results of my hair like this, fresh out the shower, fresh after being washed. So this is the end of like my wash day routine. I'm kind of a lazy natural, so this is about it. And normally after this I just let my hair air dry to like halfway dry, but today I'm gonna pin it up because I have to do some things with my mom. But yeah, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time.